Hi guys, my name's Jean. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to type text on a path in Illustrator on iPad. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to draw a circle. I'm now going to add some text. And I'm going to write something like, hey, with exclamation marks. And once you've done that, you just need to select both of these objects and then go to the type tool on the right and go to type on a path. And then you can just fiddle with the handles and get it to where you want it. If you want to bring it inside the circle, just drag it in. And there you go guys. If you found this helpful, just give me a like and a subscribe will be nice as well, so you can get access to more helpful videos. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.